At another math topic na naman ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon. But before that, try to answer this one. What is the length of the hypotenuse if the legs of isosceles right triangle are 4 cm? Pause the video and try to answer. Tinry mo ba? If you got it right, very good. Now, first and foremost, what is an isosceles right triangle? So basically, this is a right triangle having two congruent sides, what we call the legs, wherein it has a right angle. That's why they call it isosceles right triangle. So if you try to combine the ideas wherein the legs are actually 4 cm, this will be the correct figure. Now, there are different ways on how to answer this one. One is using Pythagorean theorem. In that case, you will get the sum of the square of the two legs, that is 4 square plus 4 square, and then you get the square root of that, and that will be the length of the hypotenuse, wherein your answer must be 16 plus 16, then the square root is 32, then factor 32 such that one of the factors is a perfect square, just like 16 times 2. And of course, the square root of 16 is 4 square root of 2. However, the thing is, there's a shortcut in here. All you have to do is to remember this pattern. So, the pattern is actually 1, 1 square root of 2. So, if the legs are 1, then the value of your hypotenuse is square root of 2. This is already proven and this is correct. If you want to check, you can actually let the legs is 1 and then you will get the square root of 2. Now, what's the importance of memorizing this 1, 1 square root of 2? Well, obviously, if your leg is 1, then the hypotenuse is square root of 2. Automatic, those are congruent because you're talking about isosceles triangle. Then if this leg is 4, automatic your hypotenuse must be 4 times square root of 2, and that 4 square root of 2. And that will be simpler than using Pythagorean theorem. And that's it. If you learned something, like and share.